For this soft updo today, we are just going to be using my Babless. This is the Nano Titanium curling iron, and honestly, one of my favorite curling irons. I'm just holding it down, opening up the tongue on this, and we're just wrapping around. We're just trying to get a little soft wave right now. As we start moving a little closer up to the top of the head, I am actually using smaller sections right here to give just a little bit more texture. And I usually hold that for about 8 to 10 seconds, depending on the heat that I'm at. Just kind of want to tap the curls and feel that heat coming through a little bit. Honestly, love this curling iron. This or the Bio Ionic are probably my favorites. They just glide so beautifully in the hair. Now we're using my Wellet wide tooth comb and just combing through, just trying to break that up, and it makes the prettiest wave. Right now, just using my hands, just gathering that top section, and then using my little pick right there and just to smooth that hair. The magnetic band is from Amazon. Fantastic. Gotta get one of those. Putting little clips right now just at that base, and that's gonna hold it in place while you gently just pull a little hair loose right around the front. And then this is a hair bungee. 2 bobby pins, you take a little elastic in between, and it just helps to give great grip to the hair when you wrap that around. Now that the clips are gone and it's secure, again, I'm just going over those same pieces. I'm just trying to gently pull. So I'm holding from the top very gently. And if I feel like anything gets a little too frizzy, you still have that comb and you can go back in and just smooth. Right now I'm picking up a hair on that top section of the head, still leaving some down around the ears, and so that we have more fullness at the bottom. Smoothing it out before I bring it back over. And we are just gonna go ahead, figure out where we wanna wrap it, and then I'm gonna secure it underneath, putting that bobby pin in, and we're going up and back to the side that we grabbed it from, to the right. I'm gonna go in with another hairpin to give it a little bit more security too. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I'm just smoothing again here, just to make certain that we've got some frizz out of there, making certain that everything is very smooth and really polished beforehand. And anchoring down my wobbly tripod. We're wrapping, and kind of always gauge where I want that section of hair to go first before I put the pin in. And then again, with that bobby pin, you're really trying to find the scalp and then gently angle in, and you want to go the opposite way that the hair is wrapping. Kind of gives it a little more grip. Extra bobby pin since my mannequin is moving. And now to get this fluff at the ends, we are gonna hold the curl at the bottom and then gently pull the top section of the curl. It helps to open up the curls without anything getting too frizzy. It makes them just airy and bouncy. Again, holding on to the ends, yep, and gently pulling from the top of the curl. Honestly, just looks so pretty. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it.